Alright guys, today we're gonna make this color reveal, and you have to ask an adult to have the water because it's in a big, because you need it in a big jug and it might be heavy and you need an adult to pour it in here. So let's get going. First of all, we're going to peel this part. And then we're going to unwrap it. We're so mystery though, but we have to wait. So, what we need is, I think we need to turn this cap and spin. Maybe we do it the other way. So guys, it might be hard to open the lid because it's like super hard, so you need an vision to put this up. So let's take this big thing out. Whoa, here's the container. We're gonna put water in. Let's smell it. So we're going to go we have to go in the doll. So here's this is gonna be I don't know what this is actually. But we're gonna go like right into the doll. Okay, now I got my scissors here and we're going to cut what's inside. Ooh, so this is what we have. It's nice and soft hair. And it's cool. So, it can change color. So let's open the other one. Let me just show you again. That's what it looks like. I have this purple hair. Now we're going to open, what's this? I don't know what even is this. I think it's the wig. Yeah, I think it's the wig. And just open it. Ooh. What is this? Ooh, it's her mermaid tail. Let's stick it in. This is what the mermaid tail looks like. Blop, blop. Don't know what happens when you put her in water. That's what it looks like. And now we're gonna open this packet. Comes with 7 surprises. I know it's a tiara. Ooh, look at that. It's her necklace. A really starry necklace. Let's put it on. There's her necklace. This is the necklace on her. She looks good. And I think she does something when you put her in water. Maybe we should try it out later. I wonder what this packet is. It comes with her. I think I know what to do. So we can do that. Know what to do. And yes, more. We have this packet too. Going to our box. Here's her brush. She looks good. And her back front. Yeah, and we have to see there's more packets. That's all. So we're gonna put all this rubbish down. Bye-bye. And we'll see what we have in here. Ooh, you can collect these. See this? This is the collectible. Let's see what's this card. So, it comes with a card. And maybe I think it smells a bit weird. Oh, I see. The hair changed color. Guys, you need to like only make the Barbie wet, not the other accessories wet, and you need an adult to help you fill up on this line right here because you might make a tricky time. And we're gonna do the sponge later, so let's even do it. Let's dunk it her in. Let's see. She needs to be all in the bottle. What happened? Let's see what happens. It's hot. Well, let's see. This is like changing color. Oh my goodness. They have to wait and see what is revealing. What a cool girl you are, Mr. Fur. Does it really work? Sunnies! So guys, she is dipping out the water. Hello! And she even changed color. My holy command. You can even put water in here. There's even water coming out in here. Look how clear this is. The guys will definitely want to see this. So this is what the look looks like. Down. That's what it looks like, even the back. It looks cool, even her bras. Safari bras. So guys, you need to have cool water for the hair and warm water for the body. And don't forget your towels, otherwise you get messy. So let's see. So what happens. Let's see. Need to rub the lip makeup. Oh, it's coming. And let's see the lips. Oh, it's coming. It's almost coming. Just need to rub it a bit more. So, we're gonna try the hair now because here's very cool down here. Let's see what happens. So it's taking a while. Sorry guys, I think that's the final result because nothing comes on because the instruction says it's already in place, so only the outfit reveal, and I'm gonna put the accessories on now. So here's the mermaid tail first. Gonna put her in here. Snap, snap a da da, map a ba ba. There we go. Lower. There we go. And you can even put on this beachy necklace. You can put it on her. It's just, there we go. And there we go. Her beachy necklace is already cool. And it's almost drying properly her hair, so we can brush her hair a little bit. It's very smooth, because that's why we washed it. And it's a bit clear. I'm going to tell you a little bit of her because she like has this like beachy theme thing, like a bra, and she has this shiny tail, which is glittery. And she even comes with this cool necklace that's flowery. And she's like, and here's her somersault tails, cause she's like a beachy, like flower themed garden like mermaid. So that's why she has this beachy necklace and these beachy bras. So, and she's gonna say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Hope you enjoy Learn Play with Liv. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.